Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to review some art supplies that I've purchased. And in this video, I'm going to answer all that questions that you had in your mind for long. So do watch this video till end until you get your answer. The first thing I'm showing you is this watercolor paper. This is A4 size paper of 300 GSM. So let me open and show you. GSM means the thickness of paper. The higher the GSM number, the heavier the paper. So it's really good for watercolor painting. 300 GSM is enough. I have tried to paint in this paper, and these are some of the paintings I've tried on this paper. It is essential to use watercolor paper if you are going to watercolor. I recommend a watercolor paper that is of at least 300 GSM. This will let you create beautiful work. Just like this. If you are looking for a paper to start watercolor painting, then as a beginner you can purchase this A4 size, but I recommend you to buy at least 300 GSM paper. So this is Anupam's paper. It cost only 170 rupees, so quite cheap. And if you want to buy, I'm giving you the link below in the description box. You can go and click on the link and purchase directly from Amazon. Next is this ivory sheet. They are good for graphite, pen and ink, charcoal and some colored paper drawings. I've tried this paper. I've tried drawing on this paper, and this looks like this. This is quite thick. So there are two sides, the rough side and the smoother side. The rough side is good to draw on as it gives better grip to the pencil. Also the smoother side, it will be difficult to see the drawing as it reflects. So you can draw in both the sides. You can draw on both the sides of this paper. This is same as chart paper. I guess you know which paper I'm talking about. I've noticed two surfaces of chart paper, that is rough and smoother side, just like this paper. So this paper cost around 100 rupees for me, and this paper has cost me only 170 rupees. So you can go check out the link and purchase it directly, or you can go to the Amazon website and search on it. You can find it out, this papers very easily. See, to draw we do not need expensive papers or art supplies at the beginning or as a beginner. We must be focused to improve our skills, just like me. I'm still a learner and I'm trying to improve my skills. You can also try out these papers, go to the link and purchase, or you can go search on Amazon and purchase these papers direct. So that's all for today's video. I hope this video have somewhere helped you. So stay tuned for more videos, and if you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe it now. Do like, comment and share this video, and if you have any video suggestions or any questions regarding today's video, you can comment down below. Thank you so much for watching.